In the world of search engine optimization, SEO, meta keywords have long been a topic of debate. While they were once considered crucial for improving search engine rankings, their significance has diminished over time. This article explores the importance of meta keywords in modern SEO practices, taking into account the perspective of TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited, a leading technology company specializing in web development and digital marketing. The evolution of meta keywords. In the early days of SEO, meta keywords played a prominent role in determining search engine rankings. Webmasters could include relevant keywords in the meta tags of their web pages, signaling to search engines the topics their content covered. However, spammers abused this feature by stuffing unrelated or excessive keywords, leading search engines to devalue their impact. As a result, search engines such as Google no longer consider meta keywords as a direct ranking factor. Current SEO best practices. TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited follows the latest SEO best practices, which prioritize high-quality content, user experience, and authoritative backlinks. While meta keywords may not directly influence rankings, they can still serve as a secondary factor in SEO. User engagement. Meta keywords can provide search engines with a general understanding of the content on a web page. Although search engines rely more on the page's actual content, relevant meta keywords can still attract users by aligning with their search queries. Click-through rates, CTRs. When displayed in search engine results, meta keywords can impact CTRs. If the keywords align with users' search queries, they may be more likely to click on the search result. Therefore, carefully chosen meta keywords can indirectly improve website visibility and organic traffic. Competitor analysis. Examining the meta keywords used by competitors can offer insights into their content strategy. TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited acknowledges the importance of competitive analysis to stay ahead in the digital landscape. Indexing and categorization. Although search engines primarily rely on the actual content of web pages, including meta keywords can aid in the indexing and categorization process. Properly chosen keywords can help search engines understand the context of the page and categorize it accurately. Conclusion. While the direct influence of meta keywords on search engine rankings has diminished, they still hold some importance in SEO. TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited recognizes that meta keywords can indirectly impact user engagement, CTRs, and indexing processes. However, the company emphasizes that high-quality content, user experience, and authoritative backlinks remain the key drivers of SEO success. To optimize your website's performance, focus on producing valuable content, improving user experience, and implementing a holistic SEO strategy rather than relying solely on meta keywords. For further information, please feel free to contact TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited at +91 8305233223 or visit their website at www.techiesgroup.co.in. You can also reach out to them via email at info@techiesgroup.co.in.